Hi, this is architect Asim, and today we are going to continue looking at that script I made for that parametric wall design. The issue was that I made the script for a wrong wall. So I thought this will be a very nice opportunity for me to tell you how to use this script. So I made the script in 2.5 hours, and now how do you apply it to any of your project if you want the similar type of script to be used. So you open Rhino. Um, of course, you can make the model anywhere from SketchUp or anything. So I made the model in SketchUp and then I put it in Rhino. I've showed all of this in my 2.5 hours tutorial, how I did all of that. I cleaned the model, I created the script, and we got this parametric pattern. Now all we have to do is take my script. So this on the left hand side, this file is the grasshopper file that I have created, and you take that and just drop it on the Rhino workspace. So I'm not gonna do it right now because I just did it 5 minutes back. It takes a while to open up because I've got a lot of plugins, 20-30 plugins, so it takes a lot of time, so I just did it. So when you do this, as soon as you drop it, automatically Grasshopper will open. Now Grasshopper is a plugin that is pre-installed in Rhinoceros, so you don't have to like install Grasshopper separately. And I haven't used any other new plugins, so it's just plain vanilla Grasshopper. So you do that, and then automatically on the right 1/3 of my screen you can see this Grasshopper script. This will open up. Okay, so I'll close this and just split this view. Okay, so the script has opened and then this wall will pop up. In your case this won't pop up because you have to input certain things. So right now this geometry is the wall behind it. So all we have to do is change, select another wall. So for example, if there is a new wall somewhere here, we can't see it because of this. Oops. Oh, it's here. So this is a new wall that I just created, a plane, and if I put this as my geometry, then my pattern will come here in this place, and I can even change this wall and the pattern will remain like this. I'll have to tweak the script a bit to make it look like I want it to look, but you get the idea. Okay, so I'll just Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Now, originally it was this, so I'll keep it like that, and I'll hide it. Okay, so this was a wall in the bedroom. Now we want to design the same thing for a wall in the living room. We are doing a different design here, so that's why. So basically we are changing the design here. So I'll just I know where the living room is, but I'll just show you. This is the living room, this part, and we need to go in, and this will be the wall that we need to design. We need that design to come in. So I'm gonna flip this, rotate it by let's say 90. Now we want to see that wall, so I'll just do 180 again, and yeah, this is the wall that we need to design for. Even in this wall we need to design a portion of it. So I'm going to create a plane V, and do this. I can't get a snap point. Got it. So I take this surface, In Grasshopper, I will just copy paste it and then set one geometry. So this is the new one. I'll call this living room parametric wall. And using Control and Shift, I'll select and put this here. Okay, so this is flipping that side, so I need to reverse some things. I need to take this negative and put it here. Oh, right. Okay, so what I've done is we have been working in y-axis, now it is in x-axis. So we need to search for things that are in unit y and then use x here. And we need to do the same thing for everything else, I think. Z will remain as it is. Okay, let me just move it, stick it to here and then hide it so that I can see things better. Oh, there's an error. Okay, so to test out a script, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this green button here and then go one by one. So this should also be Y. Or what we could do is simply rotate the entire house and orient it in that face. I think that would be much better. Yeah, that would be much better, I think. Let's do that. Oh wow. Interesting. No, but we'll do it like that only. It's pretty neat. Okay, let me think. So this is working, right? Let's select the entire thing. And we rotate it this way 90. We rotate this way 90 and okay, and we'll have a plane that is vertical like so. Is the apparent intersection. Yeah. Surface, right click, set one geometry, Control Shift, do like this and hide. Great. Okay. Now, now let's see what all is happening. So we are giving it a thickness of 6 mm. We don't need negative, I think. And then what we are doing is we are creating a line, we are reparameterizing it, then my script is running, that is creating this. We need spaces in the middle between them. After that, I think this should be negative. Let me just check. Huh. Perfect. Oh right, this is happening because the entire thing has flipped, but that's fine. So we are getting similar result as before, and that's it. I think we can proceed. However, I feel I need to squeeze it a bit more. So it's very easy. I'll just select my original surface and squeeze it. Something like this. Brilliant. So now the question remains of how to create iterations and different colors and everything. So let's do that quickly. There is this surface where we can use this color to simply do this. And okay, I'll have another geometry, set one geometry, okay, so now it is colored. So weird. Hide, hide. Oh, this is on, that's why. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so the problem is that I'm not able to color this wall over here. Maybe I copy paste and do this and remove this. Still not working because I've selected the correct geometry. What if I hide this? I don't know what's the issue. Anyways, let's just show everything and let's have the background as some off-white color and the the thing that is protruding, that will be of a different color. Now this thing can go on forever, so I think I'm gonna skip this. I don't know. Nice. um, I need to hide this. Let's move this entire thing up a bit. That would be x-axis, or let's use normal. Plain normal. Oh. Okay, let's use x. And sorry, 0.01. Then this thing goes into the geometry, and I'm going to use the same thing over here. Hide the move nodes because they create some issues. And fill this thickness, so that would be, oh, it's coming here. If I do this, no, that won't work. So I think that's okay. This looks okay. I am going to finalize this. Why is it looking a bit off? So I'm just capturing it. Oh wow, we can have transparent background as well. Nice. I didn't know that. View perspective, okay. Desktop. Let's do param wall 01. What I'm thinking is if I change the settings, then how will I know what this was? So I need to note down all the changes or the note down the data which resulted in this design, and I can recreate it whenever the selection is completed. So let's just note it down. Um, Google Sheets. So what we're going to note down is wavelength amplitude shift up. Okay, that is for upper and lower different, right? This is for lower. Let's just shift it. Let's just first group it and then shift it up. Group it, shift it down. All right. There is the so I'm gonna have upper, or okay, wait a second. Upper, lower, wavelength, amplitude shift up. Any other things? This gh python script. Here there is x, y, oops, sorry, z and u. So x is 12, y is y is 4, z is 2, u is 7. I need to throw in these as well. Wavelength 0.2, 0.1. Upper is 0.2, lower is 0.1. Amplitude is 3 and 5. Shift up is 0.7, 0.7. Cool, so this is like option 1. Option 1. Let's just quickly do all of these things. Then comes option 2. Can we do this? Oh, nice. And this, brilliant. Okay. Great. So next step will be to create the second option. Wow, it's already 26 minutes. Next option. Let's change the wavelength. So here I am having everything same, so I'm gonna copy, oops, sorry, paste. I've just changed the wavelength. Upper is 0.4, lower is 0.2. So that's another option, and I'm going to capture this. Let me just fix this. Okay, capture, yeah, capture to file, everything is cool. Okay, param_02, save. I'm just checking if the images are coming correctly or not. Brilliant. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. Next option. Where is the, yeah. I'm gonna copy these, paste it. Let's change something else. Amplitude 5, shift up 0.7. Amplitude 5, shift up 0.7. Okay, so that's the same. What else do we change? I'll change something from my script. It is y plus I square is into z. Y plus I square into z. Okay. So z2 is fine, or let's put in 1 for now to make it more smoother, because that's the multiplication factor. And let's see what happens when we change the y. Nothing much. It's just a slight phase shift that's happening. I think you can even put in like 15 or something. So let's have the value, the max value increase to 60. Wow. Let's have the max values increase to 160. Pretty cool, no? So I'm gonna put it 100. What is this? This is y. I can have like an animation out of this. It looks so cool. I just want to take a clip of this. So I just did Command Shift S, and okay, I'll have a different OBS video for this one. So yeah, so I have this like option 2, and I've noted down the changes. So now if the client says that I like option 2 or 3, then yeah, then I can just re-enter all these values and get what the client likes. After that I can process it even further. So like if the client says I like this but I want to change a part of it, then I can do that. Moreover, we can add dimensions to it to extract all the dimensions instantly. That would be good for the carpenter. So yes, this looks good, and I'm gonna take the capture. View, capture to file. Okie dokie. Param wall 3. Save. So yes, this is how you use the script that I just made. Now of course there are ways to optimize the script. For example, when you initially we faced the problem that the wall was not oriented in y or x axis, so that was a constraint for my script, but I can generalize it by using normal two faces, which will remove that problem. But of course this is a very small and specific task, so I didn't care to optimize my script to make it more universal, because it is a very task specific script. But I still wanted to demonstrate what we can do with this. So I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, definitely let me know, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you, take care, bye.